power, speed, and comfort. Gear shift, everything about cars. Welcome to all car lovers. In today's video, we're taking a look at what do you prefer. One of these actually surprised me. Today, we find out together which one is truly better. Let's dive in. Number 3, Bugatti La Voiture Noire, $18.7 million. Coming in at number 3 is the legendary Bugatti La Voiture Noire, with a price tag of around $18.7 million. This one-of-a-kind hypercar combines stunning design with brutal performance and stands as one of the rarest Bugattis ever made. Number 1, Rolls-Royce La Rose Noire Droptail, $30 million. Taking the number 1 spot is the Rolls-Royce La Rose Noire Droptail, officially the most expensive car in the world in 2026, with a price of around $30 million. This masterpiece represents the peak of bespoke luxury, handcrafted with incredible attention to detail and produced in extremely limited numbers. Fun fact: this model features a removable carbon fiber roof, offering an open-top experience without sacrificing rigidity or elegance. Thanks for watching.